welcome back to my channel, Jari Creates. I hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I'll be showing you guys my hygiene routine. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Hey you guys, so today I will be showing you guys my hygiene routine, how I smell good all day. So right here I have my razor, I have my cocoa butter and oatmeal shower body wash, and then I have my rag that I use to just wash up. I am so glad that I can take my shower head off the thing so I can use it in my hands, and that's very perfect for this video. But before I do everything I need to do to get cleaned up, I'm just going to take this shower head and I'm just going to rinse off my whole entire body. At this point, the water just squirted all over my face and my hair, and that was not what I was going for, but I got it under control after the math. So now I'm going to wet my rag and I'm going to get my body wash. It smells so wonderful, and I'm just going to sprinkle it all on my rag, and I'm going to start washing it up every single place except for my private area. That area I like to use Dove because it's my most sensitive spot, and Dove is very unscented, so it's the best soap to use down there. I make sure I get all the crooks and crannies from head to toe because I am all about smelling good, and I'm a female, so I really take my hygiene seriously, unlike most people. But you know, that's just how I do it. So after I rinse off my rag with all that soap on it, which I didn't show on camera, I just go ahead and rinse off every single part that I wash with my body wash and make sure it's all cleaned off and wet and yeah, and finished. Since it wasn't long since I had woken up from my sleep, I use my damp rag to prep my face before I wash it and just, you know, get all the crust off my face and make sure it's not all the way dry. So I use this Noxzema on my face in a squirtable bottle, and I'm just going to get a little bit of it, and I'm going to wet my face, of course, and I'm going to wet the part of it in my hand so that way it'll be a little bit sudsy. So once I put it on my face, I make sure I scrub every single part of my face, and I make sure not to get it in my nose or in my eyes because this stuff will burn. But sometimes I do like to scrub my lips because, like I said, I just woke up and I might have some crust on my mouth from it being dry or whatever. And I do little circles on every single spot, especially my forehead and my cheeks, because that's like the main parts that I break out. So once I have scrubbed my face for about 20 to 30 seconds, I go ahead and rinse it off with the little shower head and make sure I get every single spot and don't leave any Noxzema on my face. So now I'm going in with this raspberry scented foam spray by Medessa, and I'm just going to be using this to shave, of course. Now I know most people don't really like to shave because they get razor bumps or whatever, and they like to do waxes or use this product called Nair. If you guys don't know what Nair is, it's basically kind of like waxing, it just doesn't hurt. But this is the fastest process for me, and it's the only thing I had at the moment, so you know, why not? So I spread this stuff all over my underarms, Then I take my little razor and shave what I have under there, which wasn't a lot at the time. And then I rinse that part off. And then I proceed to the next underarm. Okay, so now I'm using a shower head to rinse off the product from my underarms, making sure I'm getting it all off. Now this product is really good. I really love it. It smells very nice. And I have really sensitive skin, so that's a plus. So if you guys want this, you need to cop it. So now I'm rinsed off and out of the shower, and now it's time to brush these teeth. So I got my toothbrush in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to get this toothpaste and go ahead and put it on there and rinse it under some water. Now I brush my teeth twice in a row, so that's double the time it takes. So I'm just going to kind of skip and rush through this process because I don't want you guys to sit here and watch me brushing my teeth for like 4.5 minutes. So yeah. So I rinsed my mouth off camera, and now my teeth are all sparkly white and clean. So now I'm going to take this witch hazel and cotton ball and rub it all on my face since I washed it in the shower. And this is basically just used as a toner and to get that excess dirt off that the noxzema couldn't get. So after that, I'm just going to fan this product into my face so it can dry a little bit faster. And then after that is all done, we're going to go ahead and head on to my room so I can moisturize my body. So the products I use when I'm in here is this cocoa butter lotion, Vaseline lotion. And then I use this body shimmer oil that I made, and if you guys haven't seen the video, I will put the link down below so you guys can click and watch if you want to have your own. And then so now I'm going to use this Vaseline on my face because this is what I use to moisturize my skin. Just my face though. Sometimes I put it the rest of my body, but today I'm just using it as my face moisturizer. But I have sensitive skin, and this works best on my face after I wash it, so I'm going to go ahead and with this smooth stuff, and then we're going to move on to the lotion and the body shimmer oil, which is going to go on the rest of my body. I do put a little on my lips as well because once I put water and soap to my body, it dries out very quickly. So I have to have moisturizer in every single part of my body because I do not like the feel of ash. Now I usually like to go in with the lotion first, only because for one, this stuff is very cheap, it's very watered down, and I don't know why I bought it, but I usually go in with this first, and then after I apply the body shimmer oil. But once I run out of this, I will definitely probably try to get me a better lotion, even though it's good for my skin because it's basically Vaseline, and Vaseline, like I said, works good on my skin. But I don't ever mix the products because I don't see a point in doing that. I'd rather do them separately. Now it's time to use this body shimmer oil, and you guys, I really love this stuff. I'm so glad that I made it, and look at it, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so sparkly, and it's really nice on the skin. So I recommend this, and like I said, I will link the description down below so you guys can make it if you want, because I don't know if they really sell this in stores or anything. So it's cheaper to make it yourself, especially if you have the main ingredients for it, which is basically only like 2 or 3 depending on how you want to make yours. So now that I'm all clean, moisturized, and I smell so good, I'm going to go ahead and put on a new set of pajamas or lounge clothes, whatever you guys want to call them, because I'm not going anywhere, especially with this virus going on. So yeah, I'm just chilling. But once I feel extra clean, so I feel like putting on a new set of clothes and then just dispose of my other ones and my dirty clothes. So after I'm done with this, I will add some lip gloss. And of course, I did make this lip gloss. I haven't made a video yet, of course, but I will get that out soon so you guys can see, because I am starting up something. But that is my hygiene routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.